Good evening. I am Dr. Mohammad Shoaib, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, AMU Aligarh. Today's topic of seminar presentation is how I will achieve my academic excellence in my institution. So, academic excellence is the demonstrated ability to perform, achieve, and or excel in scholastic activities. Academic excellence has been identified with achieving high grades and superior performance. But academic excellence is more than just making good grades. It is the maximum development of your intellectual capacities and skills, service to humanity. There are some important things through which a teacher can achieve his or her academic excellence. Like, for example, achieving academic excellence is the process of both formal and informal education. Indeed, education is a limitless and unending process to be enjoyed for a lifetime. So, formal or informal education means there may be a syllabus for a particular subject, but when you try to educate your students, you should, beside the syllabus, teach them the ethics, moral, how to behave in society. You may address their other issues also. So in this way, a teacher should address or provide informal as well as informal education. Second is, as you begin your career in teaching, so there may be some important things, you can say, there may be some important things which can help you in achieving academic excellence. For example, select a major which has a strong basic curriculum as a course of study, and develop self-confidence and leadership abilities, because the role of a teacher is as a leader also. So if the students are not following his or her instructions, so it is very difficult to achieve academic excellence. Then developing self-confidence is also very important, because when we try to explain or educate somebody, we should have a self-confidence, and it should be at a high level. Then develop an attitude of social responsibility and an understanding of cultural and intellectual differences, because in a university, central university, or in a college, the students from different backgrounds, different religions, all over the country, all over the world, they are the students. So they differ in their culture, in their religious beliefs, etc. So a teacher to achieve his or her academic excellence should understand these differences. A student may be from a Hindi medium background, or his mother tongue is different, and you are teaching in some other language. So you should be very careful how to handle all of your students as a class. Then learn efficient management of your time. So it is also very important, because nowadays with the help of technology like PowerPoint presentation, like using the different apps like Zoom, like Google Classroom, etc., you can manage your time. Suppose you want to discuss a particular topic or problem with your students, so you can in advance give them an assignment one day before through WhatsApp, through their mail IDs, or through Google Classroom, etc. And next day you can discuss the problem in the class. So using the technology and research is also very important, and research which is basically and should be related with the local issues. Research topic, I think, should be selected in such a way that they should address the local problems of the society. So if as a teacher we can address those issues in our projects, in our research papers, etc., and we try to find out the solution. So in this way, these are the some you can say the things which can be helpful in achieving the academic excellence. Thank you very much.